Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 5 that needs a new display, and we know that this is going to be a quick one. So let's get right into it. Google Pixel 5 is one of those smartphones that I really like seeing fixed. Not because it's really quick, but it's really inspiring if you're trying to learn how to fix smartphones for yourself. Right here, we're just going to remove the display. And unlike other smartphones that you take the start of any disassembly from the back, this one starts at the front. So we're just gonna slice through the adhesive, and the display is already damaged. Although we can just be brutal with it and just yank it out, this is not the Sydney CBD Repair Center way. So David is just gonna take his time, agitate, melt the glue, and just pry through the gaps. Just gonna slice through the adhesive as well. I'm going to run through the sides. Of course, there's some adhesives too. Just going to cut it. And on the left side, you will see the connector to the main board. We're going to detach that. There's a retaining clip that's going to free up the connector, and we're going to pop it off. We are going to try to pop it off again. There we go. So this is our replacement display, and it's just a matter of testing it first. If we have a good replacement part, you don't really know if something is wrong with the replacement display if it's not powered on, because it's just completely black. Some of the damages that we can see are dead pixels, discoloration, and some of them are non-responsive at all. So at this stage, we can see if this Google Pixel 5 replacement screen is even worth installing before we glue them together with the housing. Just gonna clean the sides. Make sure there's no more adhesives or shards of glass, and we're gonna put our own liquid glue. If you don't have this type of glue, then you can't do this repair. Actually, you can't use super glue because it's permanent and it's gonna damage the glass. This one is still gonna be fixable in the future. You just have to melt it down and remove the display if you're gonna replace it again. Just gonna install the new display, and we are done. So if you have a Google Pixel 5 that needs a new display, a new battery, even a new housing, David has a lot of parts here in the shop. And Google Pixel 5s are one of those smartphones that are classics, in my opinion, when it comes to repairability. No drama at all. And David is just gonna clean on the sides, make sure this is presentable to the client. And if you are lucky, David will also install a free tempered glass or a cover for your new display. By the way, this is how you install tempered glass. Start from the top and swipe in the middle. It's a reverse Red C. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Just like how we take good care of all the smartphones that comes here in the shop. We'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious.